Hi guys, welcome to Learning Cloud. My name's Shane, and today I'll be presenting this short tutorial on how to use our learning management system. So if you've recently enrolled, you should already have a few things like username and passwords. If not, send us an email or call student services, and shortly you should be receiving all of your printed course materials and study notes. So what we'll do for the purpose of today's presentation is we'll kick off from either a laptop or a desktop computer, and the best way to log in, or the easiest way, is just to go to the learningcloud.com.au homepage, and in the top right hand corner of the screen you'll notice a box that has login written on it. This will take you through to the learning management system, and this is essentially where we put our username and password and either hit login or enter. The first page you're presented with is just a brief welcome page welcoming you to the course. It'll show a list of the courses that you're currently enrolled in, a little bit of general information or news about the college. We have our course library in case you're enrolled in any additional courses, your reports, which are very important, and also messages directly with your tutor or trainer and other students. And up in the top right hand corner is your profile information. So you can log in here, you can have a photo of yourself, make sure your information is current, change a password, a username, address, telephone number. The list goes on, but if something changes, please log into this part and just make sure it's updated. We'll go back now and we'll log into the course, and the page we're presented with shows basically module or each unit, and each unit and module is followed by a self-assessment so you can test yourself, and then a final assessment. So we'll click on lesson 1 now, and as you can see it brings up the course title, a multimedia presentation that's related to the course, and then some course notes which are related to that lesson. So by all means, watch the multimedia presentation, review the notes, maybe come back a little bit later, watch the video or multimedia again, read the notes again, and then you get to move on to a practice self-assessment. So you're not marked on it, it's there to try and help you identify where you're doing well and maybe where you need to improve. So don't take the self-assessment too seriously, and what we'll do is we'll head to that now and I'll show you what it looks like. So the self-assessment is located under the first module or unit, and very simple. You hit on the little play button to get started. It'll ask a question that's related to the course. You give an answer, and sometimes these could be multiple choice, they could be more interactive. It differs from lesson to lesson, course to course. But essentially that's where you practice, and then when you feel confident enough, or at the instruction of your trainer, is when you'd basically do your first assessment or assignment. And it ranges, again, multiple choice, you might have to write a short essay, it could be interactive, but anyway, very self-explanatory. And what we'll do now is move on to learning on the iPad. So essentially the interface looks similar or the same. The difference is, however, there's no more keyboard and there's no more mouse. So the way these devices work is basically by touch, and our learning management system is totally compliant and makes the whole learning experience so much more enjoyable. Given the fact that you can access the materials from desktop, laptop, tablet, telephone, you name it, you have access to your training materials 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from anywhere in the world, and that's certainly great news. So video works perfectly on your iPad, which is great. A lot of people have had problems with that. And then the same technology has also been deployed to use on a smartphone. Again, the interface looks fairly similar, not really the same, but you've got access to your messages. You can watch your videos, you can review assessments, assignments, you can get notified in real time via our Learning Cloud app. And if you're on the beach, you can log in, you can review the same learning materials, practice an assessment, finish off the assignment, and that was the whole idea behind developing our learning management system. We needed something that people could access any time of the day, and in addition have their printed course materials and study notes to accompany the course. So you're really getting the whole experience when you choose to study here at Learning Cloud. And last but not least, you have access to your training data. This is things like how you scored in each assessment, whether you passed. It records the feedback from your tutor, trainer, and essentially compiles the information on your final transcript. And that's really about it. It's not too difficult, it's not too hard. If you do get stuck, please give us a call. But you shouldn't have any problems at all. Thank you for listening. We hope to talk with you soon, and if we can help in any way, please pick up the phone or email us now.